Humming is something most of us do when we've forgotten the words, but it's also an excellent vocal warm-up. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com to show you another simple but effective vocal warm-up. It's very important in any style of singing to have a lot of resonance in your mask or your sinus cavity or behind your nose, however you want to think about it. One way to develop this is to warm up on a hum. And now when we hum, I don't just mean but you have to put some full body behind it, kind of open your throat a little bit as though you were doing a yawn in church. You don't want anybody to see you yawn, or yawn when you're sitting in front of the class, or a prof you liked but was boring that day. And so you kind of yawn with your lips together so nobody can tell you're yawning. Anyway, to do the warm-up, you want to kind of get just a little bit of that separation. Try not to go all the way into a yawn, that gets in the way. But so open your throat just a little bit like you're about to yawn, and then hum through your nose. You should feel a strong vibration all the way through here. It kind of tickles your nose hairs if you do it right. And you don't have to do it on my note, just pick a nice middle note for your voice range. You'll notice I'm pretty much talking in the same range that I'm singing in. Talk, anyway. And then sort of the same thing, try moving it around a little bit. Or you can slide, either way is fine. I like to work a scale just because it's easier. Or you can even hum a song if you want to. The important thing is to keep your lips together, keep the air flowing, and keep that vibration really strong. Actually, toward the end, your lips should start to tingle a little bit too. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com with another simple but effective vocal warm-up. Thank you for watching.